This is the Animal Cell Tour. My name is Alexis Meeks and I will be your guide for today. Straight ahead is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin layer of protein and fat that surrounds the cell. It is semi-permeable, meaning it allows some substances to enter the cell and blocks others. Next, we have the centrioles. The centrioles are two self-replicating, cylindrical bodies comprising of 9 triplet bundles of microtubules. The centrioles assist in organization of cell division, thus are active during mitosis and meiosis. If you look up you will see the chromatin. Located in the nucleus, chromatin is a granular thread-like material that is composed of DNA and histone proteins. If you look around, we have the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell in which the organelles are located. Next is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough ER is a vast system that coils through the cytoplasm. It is studded with ribosomes, and it synthesizes phospholipids and cholesterol. Next to the rough endoplasmic reticulum is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth ER is a membranous system of sacs and tubules, free of ribosomes, it is the site of lipid and steroid synthesis, lipid metabolism, and drug detoxification. The Golgi apparatus is a stack of smooth membrane sacs that arc close to the nucleus. They package, modify, and segregate proteins for secretion from the cell for inclusion in lysosomes, and for incorporation into the plasma membrane. If you look to the sides, you can see the lysosomes, which are membranous sacs that contain hydrolysis. These are the sites of intracellular digestion. To your right and above, you can see the mitochondria, which provide the energy a cell needs to move, divide, contract and more. Also to your right, we have the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope is a double membrane structure which is pierced by pores and surrounds the nucleus. The largest organelle is the nucleus. To your right, you can see it very plainly. It is the control center of the cell, containing DNA, nucleoplasm, and nucleoli. It is responsible for instructions for protein synthesis and DNA transmission. Inside the nucleus, and within the chromatin, you'll see the nucleolus. The nucleolus is a small dense body composed of ribosomal RNA and proteins. It is the site of ribosome subunit manufacture. On your right, you can see attached ribosomes, and on your left you can see some free ribosomes. Ribosomes are dense particles that consist of two subunits, RNA and proteins. They may be free or attached to the rough ER and sites of protein synthesis. To your left we have a vacuole, which is a membrane bond sac that has roles in intracellular digestion and release of waste. The vesicles are located next to the Golgi apparatus, and are used for cell secretions. Hormones and neurotransmitters are packaged in the vesicles, then transported to the surface of the cell for release. To your left, next to the endoplasmic reticulums, we have the microtubules, which are cylindrical structures made of doublin proteins. They support the cell and give it its shape. Here we have a plant cell. One difference between the two is the cell wall. A protective layer only plant cells have. Also the vacuole is much larger on a plant cell. They also have chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll, which give plants green color and the ability to absorb energy from sunlight.